Hello everybody, it's Toro from Toro Cards KC. Today we have the second rip. Previously I ripped 12 boxes of Mosaic Blasters. We did alright on that box break. We pulled 2 Genesis, 1 Honeycomb, and an Auto. And we're going to see what we can pull on this one. Like I said, I have one more video after this. It'll be, I think I have 11 boxes left. And I'm going to upload 3 more videos of 3 separate 6-box breaks of the Mosaic Mega Boxes from Target. And then we're going to see when it's all said and done. I'll do another video to give you kind of like the breakdown of the financials, how much money I spent, what we pulled, how many sets we made, you know, how many good rookies we pulled, how many Genesis we pulled, how many autographs we pulled, the whole shebang. And I'll see if I can work out something to give you an idea of whether that's feasible to rip product or if it's not. So let's just get started. Hopefully we can do at least as good as we did the last time. Like I said, NFL debut. And we'll try and go kind of quick, and we'll just get rid of the base cards real quick and just show you the rookies and some of the hits, some of the better cards. Here you go, Clark Phillips III. We got silver, Jack Youngblood. Got a green. Go, Teddy Bruschi. And there's the Kid Reporter, for anybody who wants it. Go base, and there's a National Pride. Breesall, regular base. There is a Shaq Thompson. That's just a base. And there's a Touchdown Masters. So our first insert. Not too bad. Mike Evans there. So the odds were about every third box I was opening up had something decent in it, or something that we weren't guaranteed to get. Go base, and there's a green, Roger Staubach. Go base, and there's a rookie. Go B.J. Ojulari. And a green. Tank Bigsby there. Looking for a different kind of tank. The other tank, the other guy that's carrying it on the field. Go base. And there's a... And I can pull Bryce Young like nobody's business. Can't seem to pull a C.J. Stroud, but I can pull Bryce Young. Base. These cards are sticking together on me there. There's Hall of Fame. Base. There's a rookie. Riley Moss. And there you go. For those who want that. Kid Reporter. Alright. Base. There's a National Pride. Base. There's the rookie. Luke Musgrave. Dallas Clark on the silver. And a bang insert. Go. Aaron Donald. That was box number 1. So we'll try to go as quickly as we can. Got base. There's the rookie, Chad Ryland. Our first green. National Pride, Lamar Jackson. And Kid Reporter. Go base. National Pride. Base. Another rookie. There's an Elevate. CD Lamb, green. And a green of, that's a rookie, Sean Clifford. And there you go. Good reporter. Go base, 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 base. So 4 or 5 base cards in that pack. Thunder Lane, Travis Etienne. Go base. There's a Hall of Fame. Base. There's a rookie, Josh Downs. There's a Touchdown Masters, Saquon Barkley, and a green of Rob Gronkowski. Another kid reporter. All right. We go base. There's an NFL debut, Will Anderson Jr. Base. There's a regular rookie, Paris Johnson Jr. A silver of Brian Robinson Jr. And an Elevate of Joe Burrow. Go base, base, and base. Okay, so 5 base cards in that pack. And we got a green Khalil Mack. Kid reporter. Lots of kid reporters. All right. That was box number 2. Okay, base, and we have a Quentin Johnston. NFL debut there, Damian Pierce. We have an Aiden O'Connell. There we go. Patrick Mahomes, best performers green. And a Shamari Connor. Another Chiefs rookie. Kid reporter. We're due for something here. Let's hope get something. Base, National Pride. Base. Got another base and a rookie of Bryce Young again. And we have a green, Peter Skoronski. Kid reporter. Got base, base, and National Pride. There you go. Darnell Washington on the rookie. We have a Matthew Stafford on the silver and an Elevate insert of Josh Allen. There you go. Base, base, and base. Another base. And we have a green Lamar Jackson. Kid reporter. There you go. Base, base, base. And there's a rookie, Mekhi Blackman. And the best performer insert. Get that into focus there. Ramondre Stevenson. All right, base, base, and base. Another base. So looks like the last pack in every box is going to end up with 5 base cards and an insert. Frank Gore on the Thunder Lane. I'll make some room here before my stack starts tumbling over. All right, box number 4. Hopefully we hit something fairly soon here. National Pride. Base, 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 and base. And we have a green of Jordy Nelson. Kid Reporter. Got a base, base, base. And there's the rookie. There you go. Chad Ryland. Get that into focus there. And we got a Tank Dell. There we go. Nice silver, guys. That's the tank we were looking for. Nice looking card. I like the shine on these cards. That's good rookie silver. And we got a National Pride of Jalen Hurts on the green. Nice little color match there. And there's the Kid Reporter. Base, 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 base. There's a rookie. Darius Davis. And Epic Performer. Go, Deebo Samuel. There we go. Base, 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 base. And there's the rookie. Got Paris Johnson Jr. And we have a green of DJ Johnson. That is a rookie. And Kid Reporter. Go base. NFL debut of Jahmyr Gibbs. Base. Michael Strahan base. There's another base. Marcus Allen. And Elevate of Keenan Allen. Last pack. There's a Hall of Fame Peyton Manning there. Base, base. There is a rookie. Josh Downs. There's an NFL debut. Jordan Addison. That's a nice one. Nice silver. And Thunder Lane. Fred Taylor. Okay. This is box number 5. Thinking we're due to hit something here. 5 boxes in, we should be hit something. At least a Genesis by now. The last break we hit a Genesis by now. Got base. The Hall of Fame. Base. Base. Yeah, base. And there is, that looks like a Genesis to me also, guys. Broderick Jones. There we go. We hit something. I'm not sure who this rookie is. If it was any good, but he's wearing a high number, so probably not a superstar, but who knows. There's the Kid Reporter. We'll set that aside. I think that's our first Genesis. Base, base, base. There's our rookie card. Tyler Scott. Thunder Lane. I have yet to get one of those famed double Genesis in the same pack type of a deal. I have seen other people get them. Jalen Hyatt on the rookie there. Go. Mekhi Blackman on the rookie silver. And Epic Performer, Justin. There we go. Hendon Hooker on the NFL debut there. Base, 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 and an Elevate of Luke Kuechly. Okay, there's a National Pride. Got base, 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 And there's the rookie, Marte Mapu. And Dexter Lawrence on the green. And there's the kid reporter. Get into focus there. Last pack, box number 5. Go base, base, base. There is the rookie, Brian Branch. There's an NFL debut of Zay Flowers. We'll take that silver. Not going to complain too much there. Patrick Surtain II on the green. And kid reporter. All right, that was it for box number 5. Let's go on to box. We're almost halfway through the break. I appreciate everybody watching this video till now. I also appreciate anybody to like, subscribe. Like I said, we got plenty more rips coming. Hopefully we got better product coming. Don't know what's going on with Panini this year, but there's certain products I like, certain products I don't like, so you may not see me rip certified or anything like that because I'm not really a collector of certified cards, but there's lots of other product that comes out that I do open, so you'll see on this channel. Maurice Jones-Drew on the green. There you go. Kid reporter there. Like, for example, I opened up a lot of Zenith last year. I like the look of it. Put a set together. Like to rip it. Like the looks of it. There you go, National Pride. Jared Goff, base, base. Go Miles Murphy on the rookie. The touchdown Masters. Stephon Diggs. And the green of Brian Robinson Jr. There you go. Good reporter. Like I like to open up, and I like last year I opened up a lot of optic. I like optic, and I will always open up Prism. Those are the two you can count on me opening up because I do like the looks of those cards. I do put sets together with all those cards. So I do like to rip a lot. There you go, base, 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 and a Thunder Lane. A Thunder Lane of Austin Eckler. But there's plenty of other products. I'm sure there's probably new products coming out that I'll take a look and see and say, look, hey, I like the looks of that. Let's bust some on the channel. If I want to put a set together, or if I just like the product overall. Rookie, there's an Epic Performer. Silver, Trevor Lawrence. CeeDee Lamb on the Elevate. And I'm sure Fanatics has something in store for us that we haven't seen yet that maybe is a first-time product that I'll end up liking. Will Anderson Jr. on the NFL debut. Base, there's a rookie. Demarion Overshone. Not sure how you pronounce that. And Von Miller on the green. Good reporter. All right, base. Patrick Mahomes on that. Base, base. There's the rookie. Tavius Robinson. Epic Performer, A.J. Brown. Hopefully we'll do to get something else, maybe an autograph. Sorry about that. Base. There's Anthony Richardson. Nice rookie card. There you go, National Pride. Mac Jones. Good reporter. Got base. NFL debut. Brian Robinson there. Base. There's a rookie, Jahmyr Gibbs. And a rookie silver, Cedric Tillman. Tyreek Hill green. Good reporter. Go base. And Jalen Waddle on the National Pride. There's a rookie, Tank Bigsby. Silver, George Kittle. And a Thunder Lane, Najee Harris. All right. We're getting there. When you open up 12 boxes, the stacks get really big really quick, especially the base cards. So let's try not to have them tumble over on me. Base. 5 base cards on that one. Epic Performer. Aaron Rodgers. Go base. And NFL debut of Marvin Mims. One Miller base. And we have a green of Devon Achane. I like that. I'm pulling him a lot. There you go. Kid reporter. But I'll take him. As many as I can get of him. There you go. Base. There's the rookie. Julius Brents. Elevate. Chad Johnson. All right. Come on, guys. We're due to hit an autograph or something. Maybe another honeycomb. I'll take another Genesis. All right. Got base, and there's the rookie. Lucas Van Ness. There's an NFL debut silver, Jackson Smith and Jigba. And a green of Vince Young. Kid reporter. Got base. National Pride. Another base, and we have a green of Billy White Shoes Johnson. And there's the kid reporter. Coming to an end. We're down to the last part of the break here. Got Bryce Young yet again. Got a Joe Montana base. There you go. There's the rookie, Jake Moody. And touchdown masters, Stephon Diggs. Got base. 5 bases and an elevate of Devontae Smith. Base and NFL debut of Jake Haener. Wait a minute, what was that? Yeah, Jake Haener. And there's the regular Brian Robinson, regular rookie. And there's a silver. Darius Davis, that is a rookie. And Thunder Lane. Here you go, Josh Jacobs. Hall of Fame. Base. And there's the rookie, Tucker Kraft. And there is a green of Derek Hall, sorry. And that was a green, Ricky. And there's the kid reporter. All right. Well, so far this 12 boxes are looking, maybe that might be a bust. Come on. Things got to get even better here. Got to pull something good. NFL debut. Base. And we got a green of Eddie George. Kid reporter. Got base. There's the BJ Ojulari. Epic performer. Amat Sauce Gardner. Got base. There's the rookie. Got Ty J. Spears. And Eddie George on the silver. Got Hunter Renfrow on the green. Good reporter. Got base Hall of Fame. Base. So 5 bases again, and a Thunder Lane. Got a Hall of Fame, base. And we got a green of Joe Burrow. There you go. Kid reporter. Last packs. Got base. There you go. Jacorian Bennett on the rookie. Got Tony Romo on the silver. And a kid reporter. All right, that was it for box number 9. Yeah, I think we're on number 9. This is box number 10 here. Got 3 boxes to pull something. It's not looking too good right now. Base, Hall of Fame. Got base, and a bang insert. There you go, Fred Warner. Got National Pride, base. There's a rookie, Cam Smith. There's a silver of T.J. Hawkinson. And a George Pickens green. Kid reporter. Got base. There's an NFL debut. And that's Zay Flowers. Got base. And Jonathan Mingo on the rookie. And silver, Brian Burns. Touchdown Masters, Joe Burrow. Go base. 5 base cards and a green of Mike Williams. Good reporter. Well, I don't think I pulled any Chiefs cards so far. I don't think I have anyway. That's unusual. Usually I've pulled several Chiefs cards by now. Base. There's a rookie. Will McDonald. There's a Chiefs card. Patrick Mahomes, epic performer. Base. There's an NFL debut of Will Levis. We'll take that. Base. Miles Murphy. Jalen Carter on the green. And Kid Reporter. All right, that was 10. Last 2 boxes left, guys, and it's looking bleak, to say the least. Nearly not as good as we did in the first 12 boxes. Unless it gets good really, really fast, this is going to be a not very good break. Go base, Hall of Fame. Base, and there's the rookie, Dorian Williams. And Derwin James Jr. on the green. Kid Reporter. Go base. There's a National Pride. Base, and a bang insert. C.J. Mosley. Go base, Hall of Fame. Base. There's the rookie, Brian Breesy. Silver, Jim Kelly. And an Elevate of Luke Kuechly. Base, National Pride. Base. There is a Jackson Smith and Jigba. Best Performer, Justin Herbert. Base. Got base, 5 bases. And NFL debut of Jahmyr Gibbs. There you go, Ventrell Miller on the rookie. Base. Then we got a silver, Jake Haener. That is a rookie card. And a touchdown Masters, George Kittle. Last box, guys. And you guys won't believe me when I tell you I've opened up 18 boxes of the Target Mega Boxes. And this is my 24th box of Mosaic. And I have yet to pull a base CJ Stroud. Just a base rookie card. I pulled 2 of the NFL debuts, but none of the base. So I know I don't have a base set yet because I haven't pulled that card. So this is awfully tough for me to believe that this is going to be a tough set to put together. Jake Haener on the NFL debut. Base, and there's the rookie. Darius Davis. Roger Staubach on the silver. And Clark Phillips III, rookie on the green. Kid Reporter. All right, base, National Pride, base, and an Elevate. Base. 5 base cards and a green of Joey Bosa. Kid Reporter. Got base. Got Dalton Kincaid on the NFL debut. Got base. There's the rookie. Jake Moody. Epic Performer of Deebo Samuel. Last 2 packs of the break, guys. I do appreciate you guys sticking with me till the end. At least give me a like if you feel sorry for me on this video, because I hit nothing. Guys, we did pretty bad. Looks like one Genesis. That's it. Tucker Craft. A green on the Aaron Rodgers. And there's the Kid Reporter. And the last pack. There's Aaron Donald. Sorry, Aaron Rodgers on the National Pride. A base. And there's the rookie. A Bijan Robinson. We'll take that. And Ed Reed on the silver. And Trevor Lawrence on the Epic Performance silver. All right, guys, that was it. Nothing to recap here. This is the only card we pulled. The only Genesis card we pulled. Otherwise, a complete bust. But thanks for watching. Like I said, like, subscribe. Channel's still growing. We're still trying to get it off the ground. Any help is appreciated. Subscribes are free. Doesn't cost you anything. So, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.